Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Tbilisi, Georgia. This is a place when the police cars break down, they actually try to fix them themselves before they call a tow truck or whatever. So I'm gonna walk around. It is Friday night here around 10:30, and I'm gonna check out some of the nightlife in Tbilisi off of Rustaveli Street. So this is Rustaveli Street. The metro stop for Rustaveli is right there. And there are a bunch of bars over here that I'm going to check out. So this street here is one block in parallel to Rustaveli. And this is a side street leading up to Rustaveli, just a block away. And this place is packed and people are spilled out onto the streets, which is similar to what you see in places like Athens, those clubs and bars around Monastiraki. They do the same kind of thing because the places probably aren't that big, so people get a drink and then hang out outside. And also maybe it might be because there's no smoking allowed inside. I'm not sure, but smoking's a big thing here in Georgia. I see a lot of people smoke, even a lot of women. I think there's a high percentage of women that smoke in Georgia compared to other places, of course. So this is Rustaveli. So let me go around the block. I don't know what this place is, craft beer. A couple of people in here. Not really. Let's go back down on this block and see what's over here. I think I went in this place the other night. Buffalo Bills, Wild West. It's all wood in there. Nice place. Rose, I don't know what that is. And if you take this street down a few more blocks, there's the huge bicycle sculpture, or whatever you want to call it. So I want to go into this place, Breeton, because they have a Guinness sign, and so I want to try out the Guinness out here in Georgia. A couple more places on this block, it looks like. People are dressed up pretty nice for this, I guess. What's going on in here? So there's also the casino straight ahead on the left. So it looks like there's another place, people hanging out outside over here. Nightlife Stage Pub, and there's like a outdoor kind of cafe bar down here. I think I should take a walk down there and check it out. But before I do, I want to check out this bike right here, and the casino is right over here someplace on the left. So if you want to know where this street is, the bike is here. There's a casino right here, Radisson Blue right here. There's a McDonald's, that's the Rustaveli Metro station, the #1 line, and this is the street right here. Oh, they got Guinness at this place too, Nightlife Stage Pub. Maybe I'll go in there. A lot of people hanging out over here, even just I guess, mingling outside of this place. Oh, there's another place right here. So, there's a place right here. There's a place right here called Sierra Tequila. So yeah, so there's two places over here. If you want to sit down, go to Sierra Tequila. If you want to stand up and check out the front end of a Mustang, check this place out. And it's got an American flag hanging, so it's like an American garage themed kind of place with a Mustang. What's it called? Meet up.
They're not. No, Harris.
I think I'm gonna go check out this place for a Guinness and see how good it is. So they're out of Guinness, so I had a regular beer, but they also have a live band here and food, so you can sit and eat, have pizza and other bar food, and listen to some old American rock bands. And no American cover band is complete without doing Brown Eyed Girl. So here we go. Stage pub behind me didn't have any Guinness at the time. I had to get a regular beer, but they had a really good band, and they're playing right now. I don't know if you could hear it come together from the Beatles. So it is a really good band, and then they had a female singer up there for a while too. So definitely come check this place out if you want to hear some live music in Tbilisi and you want to hear some American classics. So I hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.